Okay, what's going on, everyone? I'm rolling with Gabe. Gabe wanted to work on having people put him in side control at the start of the roll, and so this is where we're starting from.
Let's go, get to work.
All right, so I'm holding him down, but trying to give him a little bit of space so he can work his techniques before we get into the roll. All right, Gabe is working to get out. Okay.
I can see this going to be an intense match already. 4 strike round versus purple. We might as well see.
He's turning to his side. I decided to go the other way to try to work some other type of technique, cross-facing him, to try to push him back down. He blocks me from going over into the mount. So I believe I have a mount, but he has my leg trapped, and I go to S mount here, but I think my leg's still trapped on another side. So I believe I'm working for an arm bar. Gabe spins around into my guard. I let it go. I push his arm quickly over to the other side and go around to the back. Then I'm able to achieve mount again, but he grabs my leg again, my right leg. And so here I realized that I could get the truck position from this point. And so I start to turn around. You see I might have my right leg within. Since he grabbed it, I can start working for the truck without having to revert to a lot of different techniques to achieve it. And so here I was looking for something that I didn't know. I'm just starting to work the truck, so.
20 seconds, 20 seconds. I want to see a pass. I want to see something.
Coach realizes something is occurring.
Ah! Ow! It's like a split leg right there. My nuts. My balls. My balls.
Now I didn't know that it was going to be that. It was going to be that much pain. I was trying to pull slowly. So thanks guys for watching, as always, and until the next time. Peace.